Hey friends, if you wish to fix high CPU usage due to Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So open Google Chrome and then press Shift plus Escape to open the task manager. Okay, now we need to check which task is utilizing maximum system resources. Since we don't have it, I will open youtube.com to show you better. Okay, and we will try opening some YouTube video. Let's open this.
When it comes to
this YouTube video. Okay, and it shows all the disk utilization due to this YouTube video, and also the network utilization and the memory footprint. If it's high, then you can close the process. The second one is to reset Google Chrome, because that will reset all the settings. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings. Go to the reset settings tab, click on restore settings to original defaults and select reset settings. And lastly, remove extensions. So click on these three dots here and then select extensions and then select manage extensions. Now, if there is any heavy extension here, I don't use heavy extensions, but let's say use the volume master extension, or you use a security extension, or you used a VPN extension or a download manager. So these are categories of heavy extensions. Simply disable them. If this helps, then permanently remove them too. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.